In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a 45-degree angle in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your drawing tools here in the top left, and you want to click on the second one, which is the trend line, okay? Click on this or click on this arrow over here to extend the trend tools. Then you want to click on the trend angle, and this is where you can basically get your 45-degree angle. So just click anywhere, and then you can see you can go and specify the degrees. However, if you want to go to 45, all you have to do is hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, and when you have your Shift key held down on the keyboard, as you can see, you can just go down with your mouse, and it's going to go to perfect 45 degrees. And you can go in 45-degree intervals just like that, as you can see, okay? Then just click for the second time, and there we go, a 45-degree angle has been applied. Now, of course, you can use this with different things as well, like for example the trend line. So if I click on here, hold down the Shift key, it's going to go in 45 degrees yet again, and stuff like that, okay? So you can use this on many different drawing tools, but holding down the Shift key is going to do it for you. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.